are surrounded with living and non-living things. Look at us. We eat, we breathe, and we grow. So we are living things. See this plant. It is also a living thing. It grows and breathes. But this pencil and the toy are non-living things. All the animals around us are living things. Why don't we make birds out of dead leaves? To make a bird, what do we need? We will need a fresh page, yellow leaves, glue, black marker, small craft googly eyes, a small stem of leaves, on the fresh page, using glue, stick a small and a big yellow leaf side by side. Paste the googly eyes on the leaves to make the eyes of the bird. Now, paste 2 tree stems beside them to make trees. Now, we will use our black marker to draw the bird's legs. Here we have our living thing, which is a bird, that we made out of a non-living thing, which are dead leaves. Yay! Enjoy your creation and keep doing art. Bye-bye.